warm welcome our English class. Today we are going to learn phonetic sounds words. Phonics are very important for kids so that kids can start reading English words. Once they learn sound of each letter, it will be easy for them to blend two-letter sound, three-letter sound and pronounce small words. So, today we will learn phonic sounds. Our first phonic word is A. A sound is A. Apple. A apple. Our second word is B. What is the sound of B? B sound is B. B sound is B. Ball. B ball. Our next sound is C. What is the sound of C? C sound is K. C sound is K. Cat. Cat. Next, D. What is the sound of D? D. Dog. D. Dog. Next is E. What is the sound of E? A. What is the sound of E? A. Egg. E. Egg. E. Egg. Next word is F. What is the sound of F? F. What is the sound of F? Fish. Fish. Next word is G. What is the sound of G? G. What is the sound of G? G. Grapes. Grapes. Our next sound is word is H. What is the sound of H? Ha. What is the sound of H? Ha. Hand. What is the sound of H? Ha. Hand. Our next word is I. What is the sound of I? E. Eyes. Eyes. Our next word is J. What is the sound of J? Jug. K. What is the sound of K? Kite. Kite. Our next word is L. What is the sound of L? Lamb. Lamb. Our next word is M. What is the sound of M? Mango. Mango. Our next word is N. What is the sound of N? N, nest. N, nest. The next word is O. And what is the sound of O? O, orange. O, orange. What is our next word? P. And what is the sound of P? P. What is the sound of P? P, parrot. P, parrot. And what is our next word? Q. What is the sound of Q? Qu. What is the sound of Q? Qu. Queen. Queen. The next word is R. The next word is R. What is the sound of R? Rat. Rat. The next word is S. What is the sound of S? S. What is the sound of S? Sun. Sun. The next word is T. What is the sound of T? Tub. Tub. Our next word is U. What is the sound of U? What is the sound of U? Umbrella. Umbrella. And our next word is V. What is the sound of B? B. What is the sound of B? Van. Van. Our next word is W. What is the sound of W? V. What is the sound of W? Watch. Our next word is X. What is the sound of X? Cuss. What is the sound of cuss? Cuss. X-ray. Our next word is Y. What is the sound of Y? Yeah. What is the sound of Y? Yeah. Our last word is Z. What is our last word is? Z. And what is the sound of Z? Z. What is the sound of Z? Zebra. Zebra. Now we will revise. Apple. Ball. Cat. Dog. Egg. Fish. Grapes. Hand. Eyes. Jug. Kite. Lamb. Mango. Nest. Orange. Parrot. Queen. R rat. Sun. T tub. U umbrella. V van. W says watch. X X-ray. Y yak. Z zebra.